Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, the channel where we dive into the latest tech to help you drive smarter, safer, and cooler. Today, we're talking about a dash cam that's been turning heads in the car tech world, the REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dash cam with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and built-in GPS. If you're looking for premium protection on the road with a wide-angle view of everything around your vehicle, this camera just might check all the boxes. But is it worth the hype? And more importantly, your money. Let's dive in. What's in the box? Right out of the box, REDTIGER makes a solid impression. You get the F17 front-facing 4K dash cam, a 1080p interior cam, a 1080p rear cam, all the cables you need, a car charger, mounting accessories, and even a trim tool for clean installs. The setup is complete and ready to roll. No extra purchases required to get started. Camera quality, crystal clear all around. Let's talk image quality, because this is where the REDTIGER F17 shines. The front camera records in 4K 3840x2160p at 30 fps with a 170-degree wide angle. That means license plates, road signs, and small details are sharp and easy to read, even at night, thanks to the excellent night vision sensors. The interior camera captures at 1080p Full HD with infrared night vision, making it ideal for Uber, Lyft, or rideshare drivers who want a clear view inside the cabin, day or night. And don't forget the rear camera, also 1080p, with a 140-degree angle that covers blind spots and records any rear-end incidents. All three feeds record simultaneously, and you can view them on the crisp 3.16 IPS screen. You're getting 360-degree coverage with zero compromises on clarity. Tech features, smarter than your average dash cam. Now let's get into the features that set this unit apart. First up, 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Most dash cams use 2.4 GHz, which can be painfully slow when you're trying to download video. The REDTIGER F17's 5 GHz Wi-Fi means lightning-fast file transfers directly to your phone using the REDTIGER app. It's intuitive, clean, and works with both iOS and Android. Next, built-in GPS. This feature logs your speed, route, and location with every recording. If you ever need to prove where you were during an incident, the F17 has you covered with time-stamped geodata. There's also loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and emergency video lock, which protects crucial footage if you're involved in an accident. No worries about footage being overwritten. The cam knows what's important and saves it for you. Parking mode, surveillance while you sleep. A standout feature is the 24-hour parking monitor. When hardwired with a kit, sold separately, the F17 stays alert even when your car is parked. Motion or impact triggers the cam to record, giving you peace of mind whether you're parked downtown or in your driveway overnight. The parking mode offers multiple options: collision detection, time-lapse recording, or low bitrate mode, letting you balance between storage and surveillance depending on your needs. App experience and connectivity. The REDTIGER app is one of the better designed dashcam apps we've used. You can live stream, download, edit, and even share videos straight to social media or insurance providers, all from your smartphone. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures you're not waiting around for transfers, and the Bluetooth connection makes initial setup a breeze. No tangled menus, no confusing interfaces, just quick and easy access to your footage. Ease of use and installation. Setup is simple, even if you've never installed a dash cam before. The adhesive mounts are strong and stay put, and REDTIGER includes a trim tool so you can hide your cables for a clean, professional look. The UI on the device itself is straightforward, with clearly labeled buttons and an easy-to-navigate menu system. Want to change resolutions? Switch camera views? It's all just a few taps away. AI features and advanced driver assistance. The F17 also includes ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System. Now, to be fair, this isn't on par with what you'd find in a Tesla or a modern BMW, but it does offer lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts. In testing, it works decently, though sometimes it's a bit sensitive. Still, it's a nice extra layer of safety that can help keep you alert on long drives or in traffic-heavy environments. Storage, power, and performance. The dashcam supports up to 256GB micro SD cards, not included, and with loop recording enabled, it will automatically overwrite the oldest footage to make room for the newest. You'll never have to manually delete files unless you want to. The G sensor ensures that collision-triggered recordings are saved and locked separately, so they won't get overwritten. In terms of heat resistance, the F17 holds up well even in direct sun. No unexpected shutdowns, lag, or overheating, which can be common issues in cheaper cams. Pros and cons. Alright, let's break it down. Pros. Crystal clear 4K front video, 1080p rear and interior. Full 3-channel recording. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for app connection and downloads. Built-in GPS with location and speed logging. 24/7 parking monitoring when hardwired. Easy-to-use mobile app and on-device interface. Reliable build quality and heat resistance. Cons. Hardwire kit for parking mode is not included. ADAS features can be overly sensitive. No included microSD card. Interior cam is not removable, not ideal if you don't need cabin footage. Final verdict. Should you buy the REDTIGER F17? If you're in the market for a reliable, full-coverage dash cam that captures everything inside and outside your vehicle, the REDTIGER F17 is a serious contender. It delivers top-tier video, solid app support, and the kind of feature set that rivals more expensive brands, all at a reasonable price point. Whether you're a daily commuter, road tripper, or rideshare driver, this dash cam brings excellent value and peace of mind. We give the REDTIGER F17 a solid 9 out of 10. It checks nearly every box, and the few compromises it makes are relatively minor for the price. Want to protect your ride with crystal clear coverage? Click the link in the description below to grab the REDTIGER F17 on Amazon. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest in car tech from Modern Gadget Guy. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe and stay smart out there.